Good afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So today's video, Martin has been working on this 2024 Fiat Ducato V-Line. So it's a V-Line Sport. We're seeing loads of these coming through the door now with the sliding door conversion, nice, neat, professional, and it's on a Ducato 8 upgraded dashboard. So this particular customer has gone for the Alpine, which basically is the 9-inch navigation system with dedicated motorhome maps, but also allows the user to swivel. So join me inside, we'll have a quick look at it. Okay, right, sat in the cab. As you can see, Ducato 8, so slightly newer facelift on these vehicles. And actually Fiat and the other group have thought through, you've got a bit more storage and cubby hole up here now. And of course, slightly different layout, but similar in other respects. Now this, as I said a few minutes ago, this is the... So basically, it allows the unit to swivel in its genuine Alpine housing. So for instance, if the co-pilot wants to put a route in, that's fine, but also if the driver's driving and there's a bit of sun coming through, you can adjust the screen like so. Now, if you then want to, you can then access the navigation that's built in. We've got FM, we've got DAB, we've got Bluetooth, we've got Bluetooth streaming as well. And then you've got things like the reversing camera, which isn't ours, we've just retained it, but it does come up on the screen. Also, when I put the vehicle into reverse like so the customer will be chuffed to bits. The F904, which is the Halo 9, also comes with built-in navigation. So this is TomTom based navigation, 3 years free map updates, and also Park 4 night camping database, which is also quite handy. And then of course one of the other main features is that you've then got wired Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto, so you can just press this button and then you've got access to all of your favorites. And as much as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is great, if you decide to use, for instance, Google Maps to go on a journey, please remember that this Google Maps does not know that you're in a motorhome unless you have specific settings, or you're better off downloading specific motorhome style apps for navigation. But why would you want to do that when you've just invested in this particular model? So this is the iNE-F904. But it's actually, because it's a one-box solution from Alpine, it's the X903. Steering wheel controls work as well, and then because it's integrated with a specific CAN bus interface for the vehicle, there's no climate control, so this won't work. But in your interface settings here, you will have certain information that you would have had from your original vehicle. So for instance, if you had features that were in the vehicle and only accessible via the radio, then they are retained so that you've got that all sort of factory feel. So this is 2024 Ducato V-Line, and it's had a makeover with the Alpine X904DU8S, which is the swivel. If you've got a vehicle like this, or you want dedicated navigation or Apple CarPlay or a nice touchscreen with all of the mod cons, please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio, and thank you for watching.